we're going to use the rig exported using the FBX2U5 button from RIG2U5 add-on in Blender. We're going to import that FBX into Unreal Engine. You can see this pink line. This is the skeletal mesh. Right click over it, come to create, come to the modular rig, select it, and once it's created, you can see the yellow line down here. Double click there. We're going to assign the modules for this to create the control rig. So drag and drop a spine into the spine socket. You can create sockets in any hierarchy. This is just the standard way of doing things. So I'm going to select this and shift click the other one. Assign the shoulder rig module. This will create the arms. Shift click, and assign the arms. It will automatically create the fingers as well. And now we can also select the leg and select this other leg and assign the modules. However, in this case, I'm going to select just this one first because we want to name it correctly. I'm going to assign it, and you can see it's called leg. Rename it to leg underscore L so that you can see this in the future. And you'll do the same thing over here. Rename, and this one is going to be leg R. Let's go to the fingers. I'll select this socket as well as all of this. And last, the thumb. Drag and drop the finger modules and they will be added. You will notice that the hierarchy extends over here. So let's select all of this. Drag and drop the finger module into the thumb after you've selected all of those fingers, and they will be correctly aligned as you can see right there. Now you can compile it and save it just so that we're okay with what we're going to do next. Also, don't forget, you can select the leg and you can see all of these poles are too far out. Select the leg module, come here into the inspector, and the pole vector position type 0.3. This will get this pole closer to the knee. This is leg R, and again, pole vector position 0.3. Okay, let's worry about this now. If you assign the foot control, what's going to happen is that it's going to break the entire leg and it's going to remove the module, and after it removes the module, it will not find the needed controllers to assign the foot. So what we're going to do here is to assign them in an orderly fashion. Drag and drop this foot over here. It's going to break everything over here, but now you know what to look for. The leg L needs the foot bone. You can click there, type foot. You now know that it's the foot L. Assign it. It will automatically look for it, and it will come down to the hierarchy. Now it's going to look for the ball bone, which we also have, ball L, and then foot bone once again. So just type that, foot L, and everything has been assigned, and your control for the foot has been created. And assign the foot module so that it will break everything again. This has been already reported as a bug, and it will break both legs as a matter of fact. So you will need to do this kind of twice. I just did it the first time so that you know what we are doing exactly. But now if you add the right leg module, it will break everything again, but you need to type everything back. The foot bone for the leg L. Let's go and type foot L. I'm sorry, I'm not going to fast forward this, but I think you get the idea. The foot bone for the leg L. So that's the one that we're looking for. Foot L. It's there. And now the leg R, the foot bone, foot there, foot R, ball bone, ball R, and finally foot bone once again, foot R. Okay, now you have controls for both of the feet and the leg as well. So if you select this, for example, I'm going to pick this one, and then I'm going to move it forward and up. It works. And now I'm going to grab the control for the toe end and move it, and then it will work. And that's everything you need to do to have your control rig in Unreal Engine using RIG2U5.